मैं जल्दी से मैकबुक को एकदम मजा आता है। जल्दी से रिकॉर्ड तो बैठा रहे आप देख।
Welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, this is Divya here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing video of a laptop which you will see in a while what it is, which model it is. So I wanted a laptop since very long time. Earlier I had a laptop. My parents bought it for me in the year 2011 when I was in my 11th standard. So now it was very old laptop and it was outdated. Nothing was working on it and it was falling apart. So I thought, why should I not get a new laptop? So yeah, I was planning to get a laptop since I guess October 2019. In the month of March, I was about to buy a laptop, but you know, Corona happened and I was not able to. So today I think yesterday it arrived. No, day before yesterday it arrived. My mom disinfected it very thoroughly and then allowed me to touch it. So let's unbox this. So this is the AirPod. It's the normal AirPods, second generation. So let's do the unboxing for this one first. I wanted AirPods for a very long time. I do have an iPhone and I did use the, what they are called, AirPods here. Earlier. So now, this is the manual and this is the let's go Oh my god, it is so tiny. I'll connect it afterwards to my iPhone because right now I'm recording on it. So now I don't need this because Apple has done very good packaging to it because we don't need scissors to open the Apple packages. And so let's do the unboxing of this one. Let's start the history first. Why did I order this laptop? Actually, I've ordered MacBook Air 2020 10th generation, 256 gigs, and yeah, i3 processor. I guess it's the basic version. I've not upgraded it because I just want it for my normal use. I'm just a normal user. I don't play games. I don't edit videos that much. Yeah, I will edit these kind of videos, but it's not like heavy editing. I'll edit once in a while. That's it. And I use emails, Excel, and some of my financial applications. That's it. So that's why I got this one, the basic version. I didn't upgrade it and I didn't need it the Pro, and Pro was very expensive actually. So yeah, I got it for around I think 80,000 because I bought it from Amazon, and on Amazon it was for around 83,000, and I did pay it from my card, corporate salary card. So I got a discount for I think around 30,000 or 2,500. So it was for around 80,000. 500 rupees. So I got a discount of rupees 2,500 I guess. So yeah, and let's unbox this. it's heavy. So let's start from here. There's a strap here. I don't want to ruin it. It's so pretty. So there's a technique to bring out this MacBook. Apple has a very good packaging, let me tell you this. So you just have to pull it out and here. Yeah. See, it's out already. And now I just have to pull it out. So pretty. I've ordered the space gray one because I was actually thinking to go for a gold version because but I thought I will get bored of that color very easily, and space gray is like a neutral color, you will not get bored of this color. It's very satisfying. You have to hear this sound, and I will not talk right now. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so nice. Something with the keys. Let's keep it here and softly. What's inside the box? I want to see the charger, how it looks for the Indian version. So this is the user manual and some of the documents. It does have stickers which are color of my MacBook, space gray. These are the stickers and some user manual. Yeah, some documents. I'll read it afterwards. I like to read it each and everything. Charger, and it does have a packaging which I don't want to open it right now because I haven't received my cover for this charging brick. I can remove this, no? I've seen so many people to remove this. I've seen the unboxing and so this is the cable. It's a Type-C cable, I guess. Yeah, it's a Type-C cable.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Sorry guys, the video got cut in between, but yeah, I did open my MacBook and so it is asking for the language preference. Let's do this first.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
To use English as the main language, press the return key. VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Create and Provide now to turn it on and set up your app. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your app, press the Escape key.
So let me set up my Wi-Fi password. I'm selecting these things, terms and conditions. While selecting these things, you will see here to set up. I will be fast forwarding. Hope you can see this. It's setting up, guys, so let it set up first. Until then, we'll open these. Okay. This is the cover, guys. It's the color. I was expecting it translucent, but nevertheless, it looks good. Oh, I got it for 400 rupees. So I've ordered this for my AirPods. This is the normal cable where if you're running you can put your AirPods in this. Okay, good to go. This is it's a silicone case. So this is the case and this is the keychain for it. You have to put this in like this and then it will be put to this. Hope you are able to see this. Let's set up Siri now. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Should I do the auto mode or the dark mode? I want to go for auto dark mode. Should I go for the auto one? I want the auto one. Yeah. You can change it. I don't know why I'm smiling. Because I am happy. I want to store this moment. They're happy moments. That's why we record these moments, because when we are in a sad mood and look on these videos, these pictures, these are the memories which are saved for your lifetime. And whenever you look at them, you feel very happy, you feel satisfied, and you feel sweet. That's why I store each and every moment of my life whenever I'm excited. Oh, it's Snapchat. So yeah, we did the unboxing of my MacBook, the AirPods, yeah, the AirPods, my cover. Do you want to see the cover on my book? MacBook? One second, let me open it. So much plastic. So this looks like it's good, right? And this is the MacBook. Okay, so bye.
And if you guys want to subscribe, I know this is not the professional video, but yeah, if you want to subscribe to my channel, then hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share the video. Bye bye. Comment it in the comment box. How did you like it? Bye.